Meditation is one way to cultivate mindfulness. In meditation, the breath is our anchor to the present moment. It is the tether that connects mind and body to the here and now. Let's practice this together. Begin by bringing your body into a position that feels comfortable but alert and awake, with your spine straight but not rigid. Close your eyes or lower your gaze. Draw your awareness to areas of your body where you feel tension and gently invite your muscles to relax. Now bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the in-breath as it passes across the upper lip and into the nostrils. Feel the sensation of the out-breath as you exhale. Cool air drawing into the body. Warm air leaving. Follow the breath from the nostrils to your chest. Feel your chest rise on the inhale. Feel the chest fall as you exhale. Chest rising and falling. Now follow your breath deeper into your body. Rest your hands on your belly. Feel the belly rise on the inhalation. Feel the belly fall as you exhale. Notice the natural harmony that exists in this experience. Your attention resting like a feather on the breath. Light as air. Calm and still, peace and contentment arising. As we close the meditation, remember that you can access this experience of mindfulness simply by coming back to your breath. Have a beautiful day.